Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Allie from Flawless by Allie here, and today I'm going to be doing a pretty simple makeup tutorial. I'm just getting ready for work, so I figured I would film it while I do my makeup. Alright, well, I guess we can really get started. I'm going to be using my new favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette today. I'm priming my eyes with the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, and I'm using the Lorac Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer, applying that with my Ipsy 516 Duo Fiber brush. So, I have a bunch of tattoos, and I love this product because I love how it makes my skin look. But it smells like my tattoo color. Can you tell, like, this dewy, beautiful glow? It's kind of like a pearly look. You can use it as a face primer under your makeup, mix it in with your foundation or your moisturizer, or you could apply it on top of your makeup to brighten and highlight. I'm just using it as a primer today. I'm going to be starting with the Luxie 249 double-ended brush. I'm going to be starting with the fluffier side and using orange soda to create a nice transition color. Taking the same exact brush and using burnt orange and focusing on the outer corner and the crease of my eye just to deepen this orange a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush. This is not from Luxie. I don't even know where this is from. I think it's Amazon. I find some really nice brushes on Amazon. Who would have guessed? I'm going to be taking my Luxie 231 blending brush and sienna and really deepening up my crease and this outer corner. I'm next going to be taking a clean blending brush that I was using before and really just blend those colors together. Next I'm going to use brush number 12 by Anastasia Beverly Hills and their Dipbrow Pomade in Ash Brown. So yeah, my eyebrows are basically already done, but I did them hours ago and now I'm actually doing my makeup, so we're going to fix them up. That's not the same shape. I'm going to be using my Fair Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm using Soft Light to carve out my eyebrows. I'm also going to be taking the Soft Light into the corner of my eyes to brighten it up a little bit, kind of like a cut crease, but kind of not. Using my Luxie 239 Precision Shader, I just kind of blend it all in. I'm grabbing my Royal and Langnickel Precision Angled Brush. I believe I got this brush out of an Ipsy bag. I absolutely love it because it's so fluffy and I love the shape of the brush. Going back in with the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, I'm doing the same thing that I did before, but with the concealer that is on the inner corner of my eye, just kind of blending it out. Using a nice mixture of tempera and glistening, I'm just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. Alright, today I'm going to be using my favorite mixture, and it's the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and this one's in Shell. And I'm going to just kind of do some lines, you know, some pretty artwork, maybe a dick down my chin, I don't know. Okay, that's all I really need for that. And then I also am using my Sheer Lorac Foundation. This is the Sheer Perfection Foundation, and I use the PS8 Tan color. This is one of the darker colors that they have. I use very little bit, and I kind of just like mix it in. With this fake ass beauty blender, I don't remember who it's from, who it's by. I'm going to add, but I love it. I love it more than a beauty blender, and I love it more than a Real Technique sponge. Squishy, squishy. squishy. And I love the shape. The shape is amazing. I feel like this is a little bit tapered, so you can really get in there. It's great. Laura, how do you do your makeup with these big hoops on? Like, I wear hoops when I do absolutely everything, but like doing makeup, I don't think. All I'm basically saying is that I'm taking my Hourglass foundation one more time and going over some spots that I want to cover up a little bit more. I also always blend in a circular motion because I feel like you cannot miss spots if you're going in a circular motion. Once again, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in Soft Light and a mixture of Fair to brighten up my under eyes. I'm now taking my Mercier translucent powder and I am baking underneath my eyes, as well as my smile lines and really anywhere else that I've placed the light colored contour. I'm now taking the shade Shadow from the same palette to contour. I'm now taking another brush that I actually got off of Amazon. It is just an angled face brush. It is very dense, so it is perfect for buffing out a contour and getting like a precise line. I'm taking more of my translucent powder and kind of cleaning up, just sharpening this. I'm taking my Luxie 504 large angled brush and my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just darkening up my contour. Now, I don't know if I like this blush just because of the name or because of the color, but I'm applying Feisty by Tarte with my Luxie 514 blush brush. I next take my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush and my Holy Grail matte gold deposit, and I use it more of a bronzer than I do as a highlighter because I am more fair skinned. Luxie 522 tapered highlighter. Now, I wish I could remember which lashes these are exactly because they are absolutely beautiful, but I believe they are Samantha by Huda Beauty. Now, I hope you guys like this video of me getting ready for work. Like this video if you want to see more of these, and subscribe so you get a notification every time I do posts. Stay flawless, guys.